All right, y'all. Welcome back. You too. Welcome back. Appreciate everybody that follow me, that watch the channel, YouTube, TikTok, no matter where you watching me at. I definitely appreciate all the support. Also, those that reach out to me personally and let me know, where are you at, bro? You not on your game, bro. You not live. You not doing this. Let me know. Call me out. If I ain't doing something, call me out. I'm trying to stay tuned, trying to stay consistent with this content. You understand? So I appreciate everybody. Your support was keep me pushing for one. Also, it keep me pushing for you. So help me help you. So anything that you all got in mind, help me help you. But what I'm about to start this off with y'all is, for everybody that's thinking about getting into tattoos, any career wise you thinking about getting into, I'm here to tell y'all, don't stop, keep pushing. You know why I say don't stop, keep pushing? Because I was once that person in the same spot. Once I first started doing tattoos, guess what? Where I'm from, it's a little hood area, but I'm walking around with a book sack on my back. Like, man, who trying to get a tattoo? Who trying to get a tattoo? Guess what? I had like, 3 tubes, 3 needles. That was before rotary machines even came out. So guess what? I got the book sack on, got the supply, everything. I'm willing to go to a house to do a tattoo. But guess what? I can't find nobody, bro. Say, bro, you trying to get something? Like, I couldn't find nobody. It just was dead. I really couldn't find nobody outside. Like, that for like at least a week. I ain't do no tattoos for a week. But God is good. God is good. Because look at this. I've been thinking, I'm like, ma, that's crazy. I ain't been doing no work. I don't know if I can make money with this. It's just been killing me. Maybe I should just get a regular job. That was the thought that came in my head. But guess what? He said, if that's what you want to do, my mom was a big supporter. If that's what you want to do, whatever one you want to do, I support it. And it's crazy because, like, I just always had the right answer. Maybe it was God telling me, like, keep pushing, because that was my decision. I'm like, no, I'm going to keep trying. I ain't going to give up. I ain't going to give up. Guess what? Eventually, I got a little tattoos here and there. Small tattoos. Doing it for cheap prices. $5. I was even trying to give them away for free at one point. Give them away for free just to build up a little, little traffic. So I can start doing it for cheap and build it up. But it's crazy. That's just where I started. This was in 2012. At least 11 years ago. 12 years maybe. This is where I started at. But now to this day, I'd have been to 2 shops. Been at each one maybe a year to 4 years. Until I got my own shop, on my 7th year of tattooing maybe? 7 years? 8 years? I had to do the calculation for y'all. But definitely don't give up. Whatever you do, don't give up. I gotta tell y'all this because you gotta keep pushing. Stay consistent. That's why I try to stay consistent on the live, no matter TikTok, Instagram. But YouTube and Kick is where the most places I go live at. For all the small supporters that I have, I'm very grateful of it. The small things is what count. It don't matter how big your audience is, as long as you're helping people. Okay, as long as you're helping, it don't matter how many people you're helping. Eventually, the influence will reach out to other people and they will share it with their friends and share it with their friends. So, don't stop, can't stop, won't stop. That's the motto I always go by. Can't stop, won't stop. We gonna keep it rolling. So, I definitely appreciate everybody. You know what I'm saying? Because where I came from was the bottom. Making no money, none of that. Doing tattoos for free. I didn't even went to like some of the friends that I knew around there. House for free. Did them a free tattoo, just to get my hand working on the skin. Just to get the hand working. I done started in the house now. Remember, I started in the house. I ain't tell y'all this. I started in the house tattooing. So I used to go to the meat market right down the street. That about 3 blocks down the street. Meat market, pick up pig feet, stuff like that. Got pig feet taken to the house. I got the ink, tatting on it. Now guess what? I was practicing my name still. Because the reason I was practicing my names is the line work. Think about all the tattoos that we doing, you got some kind of line work in it. So I'm practicing my name. Okay, boom, 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 boom. I seen there was a little sketchy here and there, but guess what? You keep practicing. You don't stop. And that's the whole thing. I can't push enough. You don't stop. So I kept pushing it. But eventually, it built up. Once I felt I was good enough, and I ain't gonna say when I felt I was good enough. Let me tell you this, rewind a little bit. But first I was doing tattoos. I knew I wasn't good enough, but I was decent. Like, I was like, okay, I'm not professional, of course, but I could do this tattoo. I was gonna do it just for the money at first. Let me just get that out the way. Tell y'all that I was gonna do it just for the money. But some told me, nah, bro. I can't just be putting out any kind of work. Cause now mind you, before I started tattooing, I started drawing at the age of what? 16. So that was at least about 4 or 5 years before I started tattooing. And by me being an artist and painting and stuff in general, I couldn't just put out any kind of work. And that was my thing. It just was my conscience, like, I can't send these people out here to be putting on anything, because you know why? I can do better. And that's the main reason why you can't send out anything, because in your head, you can do better. You know you can do better, so don't cut yourself short. So when you do better, you will see better. So I stopped putting out these little basic tattoos. Okay, boom, let me take this serious. This ain't about money no more. This is about me and how I'm trying to help other people and spread this message. Whoever needs tattoos, how I'm going to help them, whatever to cover up, whatever it is. So I'm going to put out the best work that I can do. Think about it. Put out the best work that you can do. Because if you ain't doing your best work, then why is you doing it? You know what I'm saying? So that's how I kind of had to think for a second, like, yeah, why am I going to keep doing this basic stuff and I'm not really trying? It don't make sense. So if I'm going to do it, I might as well go full-fledged in it and really learn it, get more close, and learn more things, look over people's shoulder, observe, things like that, because that's mainly how I learned. I'm self-taught tattoo artist. For those that don't know, Justin Custard, yes, I am a self-taught tattoo artist. But I always was around tattoo shops, looking over the shoulders, learning this, learning that, you know what I'm saying? Maybe ask a question, oh, why you doing this and that. No thing, but I'm mainly observed learner. I also went to school, NOCA. That was the school that I went to for my drawings. At least about, after 2 years of drawing, that's the school I went to around 11th grade. Boom, boom, did a little summer thing. Did a couple more things, boom, boom, keep moving. But it was good. It was good. The school helped out for us, like color pencils. I ain't know nothing about that. Stuff like that. But it did enhance the knowledge. For those that want to hear more about it, just let me know. But we going to keep it moving, but don't give up. I'm telling you, I went to practicing. Matter of fact, I wish I could show y'all. I'm going to show y'all the tattoo that I did. I think it was on my leg. All those tattoos right there is what I did on myself. The leg tattoo, that's how it all started. But yeah, y'all, that's how it all started. I started tattooing on myself. You know, well, it ain't start directly on myself, but like I said, I used to be around tattoo shops. So that was the thing. I used to always be in there drawing. And of course, clients that came in that shop, they seen me, they seen my work. Oh, he always drawing, you know. Just happened to be this one day, and I think this when I decided to really do the tattoos though. This one day, matter of fact, it probably was a little while after I did that. One client came in, she was like, you know what? Let me darken that up. One client came in, she was like, you know what? How about you let him do me a tattoo today? You guess what? I was like, damn, huh? You want me to do this tattoo? Okay. So she only wanted some stars, you know, she got some basic stuff. Now mind you, it wasn't the best stars ever. The people in the shop, they helped me, they showed me how to set the machine up. Okay, yeah, the needle, boom, boom. But after that, it's like, I think I just did the tat by myself. It's crazy because like I couldn't believe it. I couldn't. But I did the name. I'm gonna say not the name, the stars. It was like at least like 5 stars, which is all straight lines. Now mind you, I ain't had the straightest of lines, but they wasn't the worst. That's the only thing. They wasn't the worst, so there was potential. And to this day, you know, we have second lines in New Orleans. For those that didn't see the second lines on the page, yes, we have second lines in New Orleans. I still will run into this person that got that first tattoo. I mean, that was the first tattoo that I done. At that time, I was just drawing. I wasn't thinking about doing tattoos. But I guess they believed in my art skills. They got the tattoo. And to this day, they already told me, ain't no covering this. Yes, remember this. Ain't no covering it. And that's where it all started. And from that, I bought me a kit. Because he used to have a supply man used to pass by the shop. And when I decided I was going to do it, I'm like, woo-de-boo. Yeah, I talked to him. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, get this, you know, get it from him. He passed around. So I got that kit. I think I did it on some fake skin first, or I do it on my leg first? I think I did it on my leg first before I even got the fake skin. That's when I started practicing on the meat and all that other stuff. But I'm not going to keep y'all too long. But all I want to say is don't give up. I'm telling you, don't give up. Trust me, I was once in your place. I knew it could be hard. But Nothing worse than a failure than a quitter. Nothing worse. You can't fail unless you quit. Think about it. Well, I ain't gonna say nothing worse than a failure than a quitter. Nothing worse than a quitter. Only thing worse than a quitter is a failure. I don't know how to say this, y'all. Help me out here. Help me out. Well, yes, the only way you can fail is if you quit, though. As long as you keep pushing, just look at it as a lesson learned. So, you understand? Just keep on pushing, keep on pushing. I believe in all of you. Y'all ain't on YouTube for no reason, watching this, trying to get tips. None of that for no reason. You putting the time in, go full-fledged. That's all I say. You gotta commit. If you're gonna do it, commit. I understand, because there's a lot of things that I do. For example, going live. I ain't really committed because the timing not adding up. I gotta get more consistent. But I'm committed as far as getting in the shop doing tattoos. I just gotta get more committed on the live side and putting the content outside. So that's why I'm doing this. I want y'all to know the real me, Justin Custard in the flesh. I want y'all to know who I am, really build a relationship with you all. Everybody that watch the channel. And I appreciate everybody. Hopefully we really could talk about some things. Y'all need help with what y'all going through. All that. But whatever you do, don't stop. Keep on pushing. And that's the only thing we can do is try. Because if you don't try, you never find out. So you got to try. So I thank you all for watching the channel. Hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Because I for sure know what the analytics telling me. Guess what? 99.9% of people ain't subscribed to the channel. So I do appreciate all y'all that view the channel, that watch everything. But just click on that subscribe button, ring that bell, you know. Appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it. But I'm definitely be looking for y'all down in them comments below. I want to hear what y'all got to say, where y'all started from, you know. You started from the bottom, or did y'all have a mentor? Ain't nothing wrong with it. The reason I'm self-taught, I didn't really have a mentor. So, because I didn't have a mentor, I wasn't going to let that stop me. We going to keep this boat rolling. You know what I'm saying? Keep it rolling. We going to keep it rolling, though. But if I had the opportunity to get an apprenticeship, yes, I would have did that, but I didn't. So, we going to just keep it rolling, baby. So, I appreciate everybody that watch the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we about to keep it moving. You understand me? So, holla at your boy. Peace out.